You want style, you want stretch, you want comfort, you want all of that in one workout outfit, and this gives me that result. We are doing a try on haul from Just Strong. So they sent us this package. Let's see what's in here. We're going to try it together. Let's see how beautiful whatever is in here looks like. Look at that. That's a lot of stuff. Oh, wow. A handwritten welcome to the family note. I haven't seen this in forever. Like handwritten note. This is amazing. This is just another level of customer service. Like handwritten thank you for joining. Amazing. I mean, this is so personal. Handwritten note from Chelsea and team. They say, hey Birabel, welcome to the JustStrong family. We can't wait to see you wearing your new pieces, and we hope you love them. Love and respect. Look at that. How amazing is that? That's so personal. I love this. I love this idea. This is amazing. Pieces look like. Will I need this? I don't think I need that. Oh, first out of the box, it just feels good. It feels so comfortable. This one feels so good. It feels really comfortable. Let's see how it fits. And I'm wearing a size small. In every one of them, they sent me the size S. So these are all the size smalls. Let's see how it fits. Straight out of the bag. The material feels so good. This is so amazing. Look at that. And it has that little, this one, you see that? Straight out of the bag onto my body. And it just fits perfectly. Look at that. That feels good. Don't it? It looks. Okay, this is another pant. This one is the black and it feels really good with this one. Let me put on a sports bra and let's see how the top. So this is the sports bra. Look at that. Look at the fit. Look at how well it fits. And it has a little pocket in here where you can actually put your phone in case you're in the gym and you want your phone or your, let's say, your keys with you. Look at that. Look at that detail on the back. Just strong. You're getting just stronger. Look at that. It gives you that comfortable feel and it gives you the body structure that you want in it. And the fact that the bra is very supportive. You see the details. Look, it looks expensive. It looks good. The material looks very good and well put together. Look at that. It looks really good. It looks comfortable as well. Easy to move around in. Easy to, you know what? Easy to get yourself that busy. You know what I'm talking about? You see, it gives you that really good feel of a good workout outfit. See, it's put together. Okay, let's get the next one. This is another pant. See. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that detail. Look at how detailed the products are. See that? Did you see the JustStrong on the left, on the leg? See how well it's put together? JustStrong. I mean, one of the many things I will say about it is how comfortable it feels on the skin and how easily I can move and work out in this. How I can, ah, how, just, come on, come on. How easily I can get this going is what is amazing about it. It feels really cool. And it has pockets on the side where you can put your stuff. And it has the Just Strong on the leg. That means that you get that reminding you that you're very strong and you got to keep going. And you got the Just Strong on the back. So you get all of that reminder when you keep yourself in that, you know, you want to keep exercising in the most comfortable outfit. All right, let's try the next one. Let's try this one. Let's see how this looks like. Oh, this one is a crop top. It's a crop top that you can throw over. You know, a lot of times I use my. I'm one of those. I'm one of those who will, you can catch me with a workout outfit, even running errands. And so something like this, I am very comfortable to wear if I'm running around. And throwing this over it, over the green. So we have the lime green over the grass green put together. It just gives a vibe. It gives your body the vibe. Look at that. Oh my. Look at that crop top. It's so stylish. Did you see the little added? So, see, there is something about details that just gets me. Look at this. That is what gets me. That little detail right there, that makes all the difference. Look at that. Just strong. And it feels so good on the skin. That means you can be running around, running your errands, feeling comfortable in a crop top and short or whatever you choose to put it together with. Or you're running to go exercise, going to the gym. You have your outfit put together. Look at that. It looks really pretty. It looks really good. The material, one of the many things I look out for in workout outfits are the material, the comfortability, the stretchiness, and how much it can give me freedom to actually work out in those outfits. I'm getting all of that from this. I'm getting all of that. There's that freedom to move. There is that stretchiness. There is the style. I can feel comfortable. I can feel, like I'm stylish. And at the same time, I'm exercising. It's part of those things that really gives me that extra boost, that extra motivational factor to keep showing up and keep doing what I do. Look at that. It's very comfortable on the skin. I'll guarantee you. This gives you that freedom to move around, exercise in, or whatever. Today we can always dress up with a gym outfit, with workout outfit, and this is one of those that I can comfortably say I can dress up and run around in because it looks and feels really good on the skin. All right, let me check on the next one. Let's get the next one. Let's get next. All right. Oh, whoa! Every girl needs a crop hoodie. I mean, it just elevates your outfit. It just gives it that class and brings it a little bit more stylish. You all need a crop hoodie. You all need it. Every girl needs a crop hoodie. Okay, let's be real. Check me out. Let's be real. Let's be real about this. Especially when I'm traveling, I want to have a hoodie that is very comfortable and still stylish and still very, convenient with good fit and softness and still very classy. This is a good hoodie that you can throw on, especially when you're running on the plane. And when it gets really cold sometimes, I'm one of those who feels really cold when I'm on the plane. So this hoodie will tick that box. Look at that. And it's a crop hoodie. It makes you feel good. You see that? You feel ladylike and you still have a hoodie on. That's what I love about this. Let's say I'm traveling and I have to run and I have my babies and I have to have something that is still stylish and still wearable. This will do it. This will definitely do it. Look at that. It feels really good on the skin as well. This is another good one. It's another good piece. Those of us who travel who do air traveling a lot, this is something you want to add to your wardrobe, add to your collection, because it's definitely very comfortable. It gives you the style. It brings out the outfit a little more relaxed at the same time and comfortable. Look at that. And it has the hoodie belt where you can actually reduce or increase uh, the tension, give it a little more style. You know, we are always stylish. You want to give it a little more style, you tie it in and still have your crop top on. You tie and you still feel cropped and you're running around and you're feeling comfortable, covered but stylish in a crop hoodie. I like it. I like this one. I like it. I like the pieces because they come together and they'll make you feel comfortable and at the same time dressed, stylish, up to date. It's a good one for me. I like it. I like it. I love them.